Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, my name is Alyssa, and for today's video we are going to be doing my April single swag unboxing. I am pretty excited for this, you guys, today because with this box in particular, like, I never check and see what I'm supposed to be getting. I never look online, I don't look at spoilers, so it is always 100% a surprise. So I'm super excited to get into this, and I really hope the snack is good today, you guys, because I'm not gonna lie to you, I'm pretty hungry right now. So without further ado, if you would like to know what I got this month, then let's just go ahead and get started. So this is the card. Obviously you guys know that this box does not come with any sort of theming, but I do like that they are keeping the card kind of matching the box. It is very nice. This one does say love yourself and never settle. Got it. And then obviously this has all the products listed, a description, how much they cost, and it tells me that this total retail value for this month's box is $203. Typically every box is over $200, which is really, really nice. So now reaching in and randomly pulling items out, the first thing that I have is this Tarocco Naturale Hydrating Hand Cream. It says Sicilian blood oranges and sandalwood. This retails for 22 bucks. Ooh. Oh, okay, well, I'm gonna put some on my hands then. So it has a, like, pretty strong scent to it. So this is what it looks like. It is a little more watery in texture. I prefer really thick lotions, if I'm being honest, but I don't mind. Ooh, God, it smells good, though. It kind of smells... You know, like really bougie health food stores, and they have that really earthy, natural smell to it. Does that make any sense? That's kind of what it smells like. It doesn't smell bad to me. It is not my favorite smell that I have ever used, but I definitely think it's never a bad thing to have hand creams. And honestly, I feel like I would like this on my feet, which I know is kind of weird, but you gotta moisturize those too. They'd be further away from my nose, so I wouldn't necessarily have to smell it as much, but it did sink in really nice. So that was one of my concerns with it being a more liquidy, kind of somewhat greasy lotion. It doesn't leave like a greasy film. It feels really nice. Yeah, I like that. I'm excited. I probably would never ever buy it for myself. I don't love the smell that much, but I am happy to have received that. Next thing here is this. Ooh, I'm excited. This is from Dime Beauty, and there's this 100% Pure Hyaluronic Acid Serum. This retails for $28. Oh, okay. So it is quite nice. It's very simplistic. It honestly kind of reminds me of like Nicole Guerrero's skincare line in the packaging. So this is what it looks like. It says, for suggested use after cleansing face with Dime Cleanser, apply 3 to 5 drops every morning and night to the face and neck area. Massage into skin. For best results, apply daily. Oh, I'm excited. Let's see what it looks like or if it smells. So this is just clear. Oh, you guys, look at it. It's like jelly. It kind of just smells like a hair salon, which is not a bad thing. I will keep this. I will test this out and let you guys know down in the description bar what I think of it. I always post updates for you guys on, like, if I decide to keep stuff or if it kind of irritated my skin, anything like that. I'll use this and let you guys know. I will start using it today. I'm interested to see what this does. I like hyaluronic acid. Obviously it's very good for the skin, but I don't have anything where that's the only thing that I'm using, so I think that'll be interesting to see how it blends in with my current skincare routine and what it does for my skin. So I am excited to have received that. Look at it, and it's not really expensive. $28 to me isn't bad because you're getting a whole ounce in there, which, I mean, that's pretty good. Okay, so next thing in the box is this Floss, my new favorite lip gloss. This retails for $16. Oh, I don't know what I was expecting. It wasn't this. I think I was definitely thinking of, like, you know, like a lip gloss like this. This is interesting. So it must be in the shade LAX, and that's what it looks like on the top there. and then it just says Floss across it. I like the packaging of this a lot. It kind of gives me like Glossier vibes. So I'm very excited. I will put this on right now. Oh, it's just throwing me for a continuous loop. So what I'm going to do then, since it looks like this, I will swatch it on the back of my hand. Put that lotion on, it's just messing with me. So it kind of smells like cake underneath the smell of that lotion, and it's got this like really pretty pinky type texture to it. Okay, so this is what it looks like over top of my lipstick, and if you guys are wondering, this is the Dose of Colors Desi and Katie lipstick in Hot Fire. This is one of my favorite lipsticks for the summertime. It's so pretty. I will agree, the lip gloss is not sticky at all. It's actually, it feels really hydrating. I bet not over top of a liquid lipstick, it would be absolutely stunning. I'll be interested to see if this tries to like break down the lipstick at all. I think I'm really gonna like this on its own, and I think that's how I'm gonna prefer this one. I top a lot of my lipsticks with, again, the Dose of Colors and the Fenty gloss, but I don't know that I would ever top another lipstick with this unless it was a satin lipstick kind of close to this color, if that makes sense. I'm very happy with this. I'm definitely going to throw this in my bag. I think this is the best place for it, just in case you're like, oh, I just need to kind of throw on something, but I don't want to throw on chapstick. I think this is good. And again, I really do like the packaging. It did throw me for a loop though. So moving right on along, the next thing in the box is this. Ooh, a Monica Dar product. I really do like these. So this is the Monica Dar Beauty Bloom Volumizing Mascara. Don't focus on me now. There she is. This retails for $29. I have received a couple of Monica Dar products from multiple beauty subscription boxes, and so I'm very excited. Oh my god, no. Did I get this in a BoxyCharm and absolutely hate it? Or was that like a different kind? Oh, now I gotta know. 2 seconds. Okay guys, so I had to go check my Instagram because every now and then I would do BoxyCharms as little Instagram videos, and I'm gonna let you see right here me like hating on it. So that's it right there. The packaging is what did me. Look at me. Yeah, I didn't recognize it until I pulled it out and the packaging looking like this. Now granted, whatever one I had was in a gold package, but I think it's literally the same. So I take that back. I'm not going to open this at all. I'm not going to use it, period. I can't remember why I didn't like it. I think the formula was too dry for me and it wasn't really like doing much for me in that video. So I'm going to put this aside in like a giveaway or something because it may work for somebody else. Thank the Lord I didn't open it or didn't do anything and that I recognized the packaging. Oh man, I kill myself sometimes. So that's a no from me. So the next thing in this box is this Violet Harper. It is a Pave Butterfly, can I speak? Butterfly bracelet. This retails for $60. So I'm interested to see what this looks like. We receive a lot of jewelry from Violet Harper within this box. I'm not a big bracelet wearer. We've kind of discussed this before with the beaded bracelet that I received. So I'm interested to see what this looks like. So when you pull it out, this is what it looks like. Packaging is really cute, and it looks like you open it up. Okay, it's cuter when you do it this way, because look. And this is what the bracelet looks like. There it is. It's actually quite a pretty bracelet, if I'm being honest. Let me check this bad boy out. The chain does feel a little bit thicker, but I've noticed with all of this brand's chains, they do feel a little thick and a little cheap, if I'm being honest. The stones look like they are in there pretty decently. But again, the thing that I can't get over with this brand is the pricing. $60 for this is just a negative on my part. I don't buy really expensive jewelry, you guys. I have a couple of really kind of expensive pieces that were gifts from family members, and I do love those. But when I buy my own jewelry, I don't, it's just not. Like, I won't pay more than about $20 for a piece, and I really have to like it. Again, like I said, I'm not a big bracelet wearer. I'm more of an earring wearer. It goes earrings, necklaces, rings, bracelets for me, so they're on the very bottom of my totem pole. So I am definitely not going to keep this. It's not a bad one. I definitely don't think it's worth the 60 bucks again, but I think someone else can get better use out of it, so I am going to put it back. This is how like it hangs. Is that not kind of cute though? It's super fun. So I'm going to put it back in its little container, and I will set this aside to give to somebody else. So the next thing in this box is this, where are you? It's this Canyon Moon Studio Soy Wax Candle. This retails for 16 bucks. This is what it looks like. It says this all natural slow burning candle in a decorative tin has a clean and alluring floral and aromatic scent. Wow. So I'm not a super big florally smelling person, but I actually really like this. It's really, really nice. I definitely am going to hold on to this. I feel like you really can never have too many candles unless you like detest the scent. And this is really nice. It does smell very clean with a hint of floral. It smells something familiar, but I can't put my finger on it. But I like it. So the last thing in here aside from the snack is this, what are you? This is a Gen 3 mosaic jewelry and trinket tray. This retails for $28. Really like the packaging on that box. It says use this versatile decorative accent piece to store all your favorite jewelry and trinkets in, whoa, I can't read. It says and trinkets or in the kitchen as a butter serving dish. Hand wash and dry with a soft cloth. Are any of you fancy enough to have a butter serving dish, y'all? Because we just used the country crock right out the container. Ain't put no butter on no dish. So I'm gonna open it up. Oh, it's actually quite cute. So it does come in bubble wrap, which is really nice. And it's just this really pretty black and white, like geometric type tray. I can see where they say, you know, for the butter, because it's got that little divot. But then it should have come with the lid. Don't you have to like put a lid over the butter or something? I don't know. Again, I use mine out of the little plastic box that it comes in. This is really cute. To be honest with you guys, I don't know that I'm going to keep this, only because I do not store my jewelry in trays like this. In my room, I actually don't have a lot of like tabletop, you know, like space. So it's cute, but it's just, I really don't have a need for anything like that because I store my jewelry in jewelry boxes. So the last thing now officially is the snack, and this is the Smash Mellow Smash Crispy Blueberry Crumble. This retails for $4. I mean, okay guys, honestly, that's the best snack that I've received thus far. So last month I got those like little macaroon things, and those were pretty stinking good, especially for someone that doesn't love like coconut things in that manner. This is very delicious. I would actually probably purchase this for myself and like keep them in my house to eat as a snack. The Rice Krispie, and I know I really didn't show you, but there's not much to show like that. I am getting lipstick on it. I'm still gonna eat it. The Rice Krispie isn't as soft as like a standard, you know, like children's Rice Krispie, which, oh my god, would be so good right now. It's a little more chewy, which I do like, because I don't know about you guys, it's gonna sound so weird, but I have a thing with like chewing my food. Like I can't drink my food. So like people who like drink shakes and stuff for like meal replacements, I cannot do that because I never feel satisfied. Like I may feel like full for like a moment or two, and then I'm like starving. It's like I have to chew for my brain to be like, oh, this little toe is eating, and yes, ho, you're done, you're full. So I do like that. I think it has a great taste. The blueberry is nice and subtle. It's good for what it is. I actually really do like it, and it is my favorite snack that I have received thus far. Okay, you guys, so with that being said, that is everything in this month's box. Again, the total retail value of this box was $203. Now, if I remove the things that I'm not going to be keeping, which again is the trinket tray, butter tray thing, the butterfly bracelet, and the mascara, it actually drops my retail value for this box down to $86, which granted is still a higher value than what I paid. Again, I think I paid like $23 for the box, But that is a really steep price in drop off. Now granted, that's because they claim that this bracelet is worth $60. I don't think it is worth $60, but this is the lowest that my retail value has ever turned out to. This box isn't the greatest box that I have received this far, if I'm being totally honest, but I'm not that disappointed in it. I think the thing that gets you with subscription services like this is because I've paid for all the boxes that I'm receiving up front. So as a refresher, I bought 6 boxes up front, and this is the 4th one that I have received. Since I did that, it almost makes it where, like, when you receive it, I don't want it to sound bad, but it's almost like I just don't care if I give some of the stuff away because I'm not missing the money anymore. Does that make sense? While at the same time, in my mind, I'm like, whoa, if I continue to get boxes that came out like this, then I would be very, very disappointed. But considering this was the first box, and to be honest, the things that I'm giving away is because of personal preference. Like, I could keep everything except for the mascara for me. I could keep everything, but I just feel like that would kind of be a waste. So overall, the value of this box for me, after everything that I decide to keep and give away, is not good. I'm not disappointed in the box. I know that's kind of like all over the place, and you're probably like, Alyssa, what the hell? But yeah, you guys, I don't know how else to explain it. I'll be interested to see what my next month's box looks like. Hopefully it will be a better retail value for what I choose to keep and what I choose to give away. Let me know your thoughts and opinions down below. I'll be interested to see what you guys think of what I received and what you would have like kept or given away. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and feel free to hit that notification bell. That way you can be notified every time I upload a brand new video, especially if you want to see more single swag unboxings, because in just 2 more unboxings, I will be giving you my overall thoughts and opinions on my experience with this subscription service and if I truly think it is worth your hard-earned money. Last but not least, you can also come follow your girl on Instagram. And with that being said, you guys, we gotta go because I want to finish this snack. So I will see you in my next one. Bye!